video is about PowerPoint animation. In this video, I am showing you a simple and easy way to create a 2D animated scene. So let's start. To create this animation, we need a blank slide in PowerPoint and then a background image. You can search in Google Images or else you can use online pictures from PowerPoint itself. For that, click on Insert, Online Pictures. In the search box, type Forest Cartoon. You can search for the image of your preference. I'm selecting this image and click Insert. Now adjust this image by dragging to fit on the slide. Next, we need some grass to place in front. For that, follow the same steps as done for the background image as shown. Once you get that, place it in the front and adjust its length to fit on the slide. As the background image is dark like night, I'm planning to give this grass a night effect. For that, select that image and click on Artistic Effect. Then click on that dark effect. Okay, now we need moving images. I'm planning to select a girl walking GIF. Search that in online pictures as shown. Among this, some may not be GIF, so select according to that. Otherwise, you can use some other sites which provide GIF images. In detail, I have already done a video. You can check that in the description or in the icon above. Here, I am selecting this image which suits to the scene I am planning for. Adjust its size and move it to the right of the slide. Now, I am zooming out this slide. Right-click on the image and send backward to make the girl behind that grass to make the animation better. Now I am inserting a flying bird GIF image from online pictures. As it is black in color, I am changing it. Then copy-paste the same image to make a pair of birds and adjust its size to make them even smaller. Then group them by right-click, Group. Then move them to the left side outside the slide. Move the girl to the right end. Now we have all the essentials and can do the last and important part, that is animation. For that, after selecting the girl's image, click on Animation, then scroll down. Under Motion Path, you can see Line. Select that. Now the line seems to be vertical. We need to make the girl walk from right to the left. For that, drag it to the left. Make sure you drag outside the slide. Now select the birds and click on Animation, scroll down, under Motion Path, select Custom Path. And I am drawing a wavy path for them. You can draw according to your ideas. Now click on the Animation pane under Animation tab. Then you can see your animations in the right side. We have to adjust it a little bit to make the animation smooth. Click on the arrow or you can right click. Then select Effect Options. Adjust Smooth Start to 0 second and Smooth End to 0 second. Otherwise the starting and ending will be little fast. After that, in timing, make the duration to very slow. Then click OK. Now select the birds and I'm adjusting it to top. Then in Animation pane, I'm selecting it as Start with Previous. Then select Effect Options of the bird's animation. Repeat the steps as we done for the girl as before. Okay, done. Now click on Slideshow. So this was today's video tutorial. If you all like my video, please don't forget to support this channel. We'll come up with the next video. Thanks for watching.